In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Focused Inbox in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently. This guide is designed to help you streamline your email experience by ensuring all your emails appear in one cohesive view. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Outlook web app. You can access this by visiting https://outlook.office.com. Once there, you'll need to log in with your credentials to view your Outlook account. It's crucial to make sure you're logged into the correct account to apply these changes where you need them. Now let's focus on getting into the settings. At the top right corner of your Outlook interface, you'll find a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your gateway to customizing your Outlook settings to better suit your needs. Once you've opened settings, you'll see a search bar at the top. This search bar is incredibly handy for quickly locating specific features without having to scroll through multiple menu options. In the search bar, type in Focused Inbox. Outlook designed this function to help users manage their emails better by separating important emails from the ones you can get to later. However, it can sometimes mask important messages, which is why you might want to turn it off. After searching for Focused Inbox, you'll see it appear as an option in your settings. Simply click on it. You'll notice that Focused Inbox has a toggle switch next to it. This switch is what keeps it active or deactivates it. Go ahead and click the toggle switch to set it to the off position. Once you toggle it off, you should receive an immediate confirmation in your inbox view. Instead of separating your emails into focused and other, you'll now see all of your emails together in one continuous list. This can help ensure that you don't miss any crucial emails that might have been filtered out before, providing a more comprehensive email management experience. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off the focused inbox in your Outlook web app. This small change can make a significant difference in how you go about handling your emails on a daily basis. If at any time you decide you want to reinstate the focused inbox, you can easily follow the same steps and toggle it back on. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide. Hopefully, this adjustment will bring a little more clarity and ease to your daily email routine. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy emailing!